Hi, so this video is to show you guys how to easily deal with your math. If you want to write it on a piece of paper and you don't want to deal with typing it in, this is what you're going to do. Notice at the bottom there, I have an app called ScanPro. I have loaded that onto my phone. Also notice that I have Google Drive on my phone as an app, and Google Classroom also, which makes things a little bit easier. But you really need ScanPro and Google Drive on your phone for this to easily work. So I'm going to open ScanPro, and I'm going to hit the plus button, and I'm going to hold my device over my document so that I can take a picture. So I have taken a picture with the actual app. And so now I'm going to save it because I'm like, yes, this is good. So I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to share it. And I'm going to share it with my Drive. And then I've already logged into Drive through my San Juan account. So now I can go and I can save it into whatever folder I want to save it into. So I can be like, this is for honors chemistry. It's for unit 2. So I'm going to save it there. And then I'm going to hit upload. And now that document is in my Google Drive, and I can just submit it into Google Classroom like any other normal assignment after I rename it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.